Hey guys, happy Sunday. Today I'm here with you to show you how to get an avocado seed started. And I'm going to show you two different methods. But first, we have the fresh avocado. So what you want to do is very carefully cut the avocado. Now these are pretty soft. You want them, soft, not too hard to cut. That way, you don't do anything crazy to yourself. And these have tiny seeds in them. Now, again, carefully, you want to get the seed out of here. And there you go. They just pop out like that. Now they have some stuff around them, but we'll clean that up in a moment. As for the rest of the avocado, you want to save it to eat it. So let's cut into the other avocado now. Again, very carefully, try to do it down the middle. And if they're soft, they're not gonna give you too much trouble. And here we go, another small seed. Being careful, we'll pop that out. Now usually we will let these dry, but we have some paper towels. We'll just rub off some of that excess avocado flesh. And let me get another paper towel here for you, since these have a lot of avocado flesh on them. Thing is, you want to make these dry because you see the brown skin around them. You really want that off. Most people would say like soak it and then dry it, but we're gonna try to get it off, here. So let's see what we can do. Y'all be very careful. And you can get this done without having it dry. It may not be too quick, but you're gonna get it done. So the point of doing this is because that skin will make it take forever to try to like germinate, and you don't want that. So I'm probably gonna have to leave these, but I will show you the methods I'm talking about. So the first method is going to be used with toothpicks. What you're going to want to do is take 3 of these toothpicks, come to one of these seeds, and then you see how it has a pointy end and then a flat end. This flat end, you want it facing down when it goes in the water. Now you're just going to poke this pretty equidistant, so that when you do put it in the container of water, you're gonna have that butt end just in there. So we have here the container of water, and then that's how you would do it. You would just leave it like that, and in a couple weeks it should start to form roots. Again, you want to take that skin off, but just to show you guys, I'm doing it like this. Now the second method to me is a little easier because it's the paper towel method. If you haven't heard of it before, is you take a Ziploc bag, paper towel. What we're gonna do is moisten the towel, not too wet, just enough that the paper towel absorbs. And then you take the seed, and you just wrap it in here. You're gonna put it in a baggie, and then that's it. You seal it, put it on a sunny windowsill, and then you're done. Now, in a couple weeks, these two should have roots. I'm going to again take the skin off them and then come back to you guys within a couple weeks when they do have roots. If you want as well, I don't have a marker, but you would take the date that you started this, so you know how old your seed is and how long it took. So those are the two methods. Again, the toothpick method right here, what you can see, you're gonna put it just like that in a container of water. Make sure the butt part of it is always in the water, and then the the paper towel method inside of a Ziploc bag. Supposedly this is faster. Usually it has been when I've used this, so I want to see what it does with an avocado seed. Anyway, guys, I hope you're enjoying your Sunday. Thank you for watching, and I will be back with with the second part of this series, when the avocado seeds have roots. All right, take it easy.